Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Shorthand dictation from Daily Dawn. Today, that is 2nd April 2024. Report by Muhammad Yaqub. Start. PCB chief visits Pakistan training camp, meets Shaheen after statement row. With the fallout from the abrupt change of captain seemingly lingering on, Pakistan Cricket Board Chairman Mohsen Naqvi made the trip to Kabul on Monday to visit the Pakistan team camp at the Army School of Physical Training and settle matters once and for all. Full stop. The PCB announced on Sunday that star batter Babar Azam would be returning as Pakistan's white ball captain ahead of the T20 World Cup in June, replacing Shaheen Shah Afridi as the skipper in the shortest format of the game after the pacer had led the side in just one series. Full stop. While the statements from both Babar and Shaheen made it look that the change at the helm had been cordial, long-standing reports that the latter had not been taken into confidence were confirmed on Monday when it emerged that Shaheen had an issue with the course attributed to him. Full stop. There was a misunderstanding between the PCB media department and Shaheen over his quotes in Sunday's news release, sources told Dawn on Monday, as Shaheen had not sent any statement. In the statement, Shaheen was quoted as saying that he had nothing but respect for Babar and that we are all one. Full stop. Sources close to Shaheen had been quoted as saying in several reports that the fast bowler had resented being replaced after just one series. Full stop. Adding fuel to the fire was a social media post on Sunday by Shaheen's father-in-law and former Pakistan captain Shahid Afridi. Full stop. I am surprised by the decision by very experienced cricketers in the selection committee, Afridi wrote on X, formerly Twitter. Full stop. I still believe that if change was necessary, then Mohammad Rizwan was the best choice. Full stop. But since now the decision has been made, I offer my full support and best wishes to Team Pakistan and Babar Azam. Full stop. During Mohsen's visit, he did not meet Shaheen separately, although the PCB released a photograph in which the two were seen greeting each other with a smile, indicating that things had now been settled. Full stop. PCB's news release did not elaborate on any talks between Mohsen and Shaheen. Full stop. The visit was aimed at gathering first-hand insights into the training camp and to extend gratitude to the Pakistan Army for their invaluable support in organizing the camp, it said on Monday. Full stop. The fitness camp has been instrumental in enhancing the physical capabilities of Pakistan's T20 players, ensuring they are in optimal condition for forthcoming cricketing assignments, which also includes ICC T20 World Cup in June this year. Full stop. Chairman also took the opportunity to interact with the players, personally commending them for their dedication and active participation in the camp. Full stop. He expressed satisfaction over the players' enthusiasm and commitment towards enhancing their fitness levels. Full stop. In addition to meeting with the players, Chairman PCB also held a meeting with the selection committee to talk about the team's selection ahead of the New Zealand T20 series. Full stop. The meeting was also attended by Captain Babar Azam, full stop. Chairman PCB also took the members into confidence on the developments made by the board regarding the appointment of a head coach, full stop. Naqvi, meanwhile, was thankful to the Pakistan Army for their support, full stop. Their collaboration will not only enhance the fitness levels of our players but will also make them more disciplined in future, he was quoted as saying, full stop. This camp will surely put the players in good stead before undertaking a challenging journey leading to a global tournament in the USA and West Indies, full stop. The PCB remains dedicated to providing comprehensive support to its players, equipping them with the necessary tool and resources to excel at the international level, full stop. Well-paced sources, however, told Dawn that while everything seems normal at the surface, the abrupt changing of the captain could impact dressing room harmony, full stop. It would have been better had the PCB taken Shaheen into the confidence over its decision, They said Shaheen preferred to keep silent as he has a vast career ahead of him and any severe reaction could have created problems for him. There are also some fitness problems that he is dealing with at the moment, full stop. Babar's demand, Dawn has also learnt that Babar's demand of a confirmed 2-year stint as a captain was rebuffed by the PCB, full stop. For now, nothing has been fixed, sources said. Babar is captain until the World Cup in June and depending on his performance as captain, it will be decided whether the PCB will move forward with him or not, full stop. Babar resigned as Pakistan's all-format captain after the team's disastrous showing at the ODI World Cup in India last year. That had also led to the entire team management being asked to go by then interim PCB chief Zaka Ashraf, full stop. Zaka, it emerged, wanted to break a strangle hold that Saya Corporation, a players agency based in England, had over the team, with previous chief selector Inzamamul Haq also having a role in the company, full stop.